Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. Now that we are officially in October, fall or autumn has begun, and I thought why not share a quick makeup look with you which is fall inspired. And today's eye look is specially inspired by a viral eyeshadow trend that is going on in the internet. So I thought why not try this with you for the first time and let's see how it turns out. And I'm really happy how it turned out. So if you want to see this look, then let's get on to the video. But before that, you know the drill, right? Do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Alright, let's get to the video. So we will start with our base. I'm going to use Kay Beauty's foundation here, the liquid foundation with the Maybelline concealer, and then before that I have few dark spots to cover under my eyes and beside my lips. So I will start that with my peach corrector. Yes, this is peach if I am not wrong. Yeah, the peach color corrector from Kay Beauty again. I must tell you guys that lately I am super duper impressed with Kay Beauty. Their products are so easily blendable, they're so nice and creamy, and I just feel that makeup is a cakewalk and it happens in super jiffy for me. Little beside the nose. Correction is a step in your makeup which you can avoid if you do not have too many dark spots or under eyes. Dark circles under eyes, but if you're going for a little decked up look for an evening and all, then I would highly recommend that you do color correction, but it's completely up to you. So moving on to my Maybelline concealer here. Help of a damp beauty blender, I will blend all this up. Now that I've blended my concealer completely, it's time for my foundation and shake it well. I will take few pumps on my hand. Time to go to your beauty blender again and start to blend them thoroughly. Key to any flawless makeup look is to have a flawless base. So make sure you spend a lot of time to kind of blend your base properly. Now that my base is set thoroughly, I will move on to set my base a little and I will put some loose powder. I'm using the Clinique loose powder here. Again, very little product goes a long way, otherwise you will land up in a very cakey face. So make sure you are using a very little amount. Also, another tip to make sure that your loose powder kind of sets on your face is to use your damp beauty blender. I will also take my brush a little and then make sure that it's spread thoroughly. Moving on to my next product is this sun-kissed look, which is from L'Oreal Glam Glow, and I don't want like a heavy contour, but I definitely want a bit of a sun-kissed look, so I'm using this L'Oreal product, and I will make sure that it kind of defines my jawline and my face. And then I will blend it up a little with my brush. As this is a powder product, I will take my damp beauty blender and then set it up thoroughly so that everything kind of sets and sticks to the face. and my face does not look very powdery. Now that my sun-kissed face is ready, it's time to move on to my eyes, which is like the highlight of this video. And as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, I'm going to make sure that this look is super simple for all you guys. I'm following this viral eyeshadow trend and I will create this autumn using two different palettes here. One is K-Beauty Pure Bloom and another one is by e.l.f. Cosmetics, and the name of this palette is Carnival. First things first, I will use my fingers instead of any brush, so that even if you do not own any makeup brush, this is super simple for you to do it. So I will take this dark color with my ring finger. And then the idea of this trend is to basically put your eyeshadow vertically and not horizontally. Also start with the darkest shade from the corner of your eye. So you start with your dark shade and then move on to your lighter shade while you are coming from the outer corner of your eyes to your inner corner of your eyes. Next, I am going to use this particular shade, which is lighter than this particular shade. There are no singular names to these shades, hence I'm showing the color. Moving on to my Loom palette by K-Beauty, I will take this shade called Crimson, which is this particular shade here. And to the innermost corner of your eye, I'm going to use this shade called Sand, again from the Loom palette. I'm going to take a blending brush and then I will use this palette to kind of protect for all the eyeshadow to fall on my face, and I'm going to blend them thoroughly. And that's about it, guys. This autumnal eye look is ready. Make sure that on the upper side of my eyelid, I want to make it a little lighter. So I will take this shade called Sand, again from the Loom palette. Take my blending brush and then put it on my upper crease. I don't know, I think we call it crease only. And blend any harsh lines if there are any. Burgundy color from the e.l.f. palette. I want to make it a little bit more dark. So again, taking my finger and then putting some more product along with this brown shade or biscuit shade, whatever. Going back to my blending brush and then blending it in. To this, I will now use my K-Beauty Kajal and I will tightline and waterline my eyes. This K-Beauty Kajal comes with this blender, so I'm going to use this side and then blend a little bit so that ये थोड़ा सा जो dark shade black का है, हल्का सा एक line आ जाए. And then of course I will come back and put my mascara, but I will take you guys through the next eye as well. Now that both the eyes are done, let's do the final touch up to our eye with our L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara, because no look is complete without a great mascara. The final touch up of this look, let's move on to a great blush. I am using this shade called Sugar Candy from K-Beauty. Take some product on your brush, tap the extra and then on your nose, smile, and then take it above so that you have a lift up look. Again, going back to my handy dandy beauty blender, I will push all the product in to make sure that the blush is not looking very, up on your face. And now the last product for this look is highlighter. This is also very optional. I just love highlighter on my face. The highlighter that I'm using is called Rosy Dew by K-Beauty. last thing which I want to do with the highlighter is take this mini, I don't know, this pencil-like brush, take a little bit of highlighter, and I will do it on the inner corner of my eyes, so that my inner corner looks, a little bright, and this will instantly make sure that you look very woken up. And of course, don't forget your lipstick. I always love to use a dark lipstick in autumn days, because the winter is near, and I just love this vibe of dark lipsticks in winters and autumn. Summers are all about nudes and winters are all about the dark shade. Before putting the lipstick, I will put some of my lip balm using a lip crayon by Kay Beauty. And that's about it, guys. This makeup look is ready. I'm really impressed with myself and how this whole makeup look turned out. Hopefully you guys also enjoyed this look. If you did, do not forget to comment below, try this out, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Just look at it, guys. Look at these colors. Who would say that I applied it with my fingers and then blend it up? So see you guys for my next video, and take care. Bye bye.